Well, Niha number 5 part 2, still in Shanghai, and look at this. This is what communists do. It's just terrible what these people can't do. You know, look at the buildings, look at the colour, look at the movement. There's just have a check on what I'm looking at over here. Look at that one. That is capitalism at its best. And damn communists are doing it. It's crazy. Anyway, no one's been arrested here. No one's been mugged. We haven't seen any crime. Seen a lot of traffic. Seen a lot of electric cars. Seen a lot of friendly people. And I haven't met anyone who's interested in the destruction of the West. In fact, they hope the West won't self-destruct because that's what is actually happening. We idiots are destroying our societies through the madness of a few. Come to China and learn some sanity. That's all I can say. Well, voila China, and it's goodbye from me, you capitalist running dogs, the bourgeoisie. Ciao.